Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily add a stopwatch or timer to your videos in Capcut. Let's get started. First, bring your video footage into the timeline in Capcut. Also, bring the stopwatch video to your timeline. The stopwatch video is made by myself. I simply download the Stopwatch app from the Microsoft Store and then I screen record it. Initially, the stopwatch file will appear with a black background. No worries, we'll fix it. If you want just the white text, change the blend mode of the stopwatch layer from normal to brighten. Now, you'll see the stopwatch with only white text on your footage. If you'd like the stopwatch to have a boundary around it, change the blend mode from brighten to overlay. Now you can see the boundaries of your stopwatch. You can increase or decrease the size of the stopwatch text by adjusting the video scale. Now, go to the mask tool, select rectangle, and position the mask properly around the stopwatch. To show only a specific portion of the timer, adjust the mask size as needed. You can also round border corners. You now have a stopwatch with a cool boundary effect. To change the text color, go to Adjustment, Curve and modify the colors. You can make the text red, blue, or any color you prefer. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily add a professional-looking stopwatch or timestamp to your videos in Capcut. And finally, you can export the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.